This is the fast-look iPhone SE 4K's hands-on video and images. Apple is working on its fourth iPhone SE, and we know the device will have an OLED panel, a first for the relatively cheap series. Few weeks ago, revealed alleged CAD renders of the new phone appeared, and the source revealed the phone will have the body of the iPhone 14, which is also pretty close to the iPhone 13 and iPhone 12, but will have one camera on the back. The front of the iPhone SE 4 might be the same as the iPhone 14, but the back is clearly the same as the SE variant from 2022. The big unknown is whether Apple will keep the dated 12MP sensor or will introduce a more powerful camera capable of night mode, which was missing last time. These CAD renders do not have an action button or mute switch next to the volume keys. Upcoming iPhone SE 4 come with 6.1-inch OLED panels. Now we hear the iPhone SE 4 will also use the iPhone 14's battery. This information comes from MacRumors. iPhone SE series is known for the outdated hardwares, because Apple used the old hardware to reduce the price, which are significantly lower compared to the regular phones. That is why we used to see regular gap between each SE model. iPhone SE 4 expect to launch very soon. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.